Hey everyone, this is Kelly, and I'm here at Family Adventure Camp at the Summit Bechtel Reserve in West Virginia. And Summit Bechtel Reserve Family Camp is a great place to bring your family because we've got a lot of cool things. Today, we're going to talk about the animals you might see here at Family Adventure Camp. If you're here and you're lucky enough, you might see some turkey, you might see some deer, raccoons. If you're really lucky, you might see a snake. But the rarest animal of all is the summit bear. Let's take a look outside and see if we can find one.
Kelly, look beside you.
All right, now that we've met our bears here at Family Camp, let's learn how to make a new one so we can add a new one to the family. It's really simple. You're gonna need 2 towels. One is regular bath towel, which I've got laid out here in front of me, and we're gonna use a hand towel. But we're gonna start with the bath towel because that's gonna be the arms and body of the bear. So you gotta lay it out flat like this. You're gonna bend the 2 corners in so they touch right there. Come down to the other end and just kind of fold it in an inch or 2. So that looks nice and pretty like that. And then we're gonna roll from both ends till they meet in the middle. And you gotta make it tight. We'll start from this end down here. So I stress again, you do need to make it tight, that way the bear will sit easier. And you just roll it up to the middle. Now when we're done, this end's gonna be a little bit shorter than this other end, which is important for when we make the head of the bear. Okay, we're gonna take the longer end, flip it over, so the longer end is on top, shorter end's down in the bottom. Now, we're gonna take a hand towel. We're gonna make the head of the bear. So you're gonna lay it out like this. You're gonna fold it back on itself, most of the way, not all the way. So you're leaving, I don't know, an inch or 2 gap down here at the bottom. And you're gonna fold it over like a paper airplane, but leave a gap in the middle for the bear's face, and then flip it over. And then we're gonna roll it tight again from the bottom, picking up both parts of the towel when we roll. Tight. So when we're done, we're gonna pick it up. So now we've got the bear's face and snout and his ears sticking out the back here. We're gonna take him, put him in the middle of our legs and body. And then squeeze him together. You can pull the head back a little bit if you need to. Spread the bottom legs out. And he sits real nice. So now we've got a new towel bear to add to our Family Camp Bear family. Thank you. I hope to see you at Family Camp.